Hey guys, check out these 6 pieces here, 46.3 feet of casino party decorations. These are awesome. They're hanging, garland, Las Vegas theme, poker night, fantastic casinos. They're really kind of cool. I just want to show you what they look like. There's a package of 6 in here. One, two, three, four, five, and I opened one up to show you there's actually 6. I want to show you what they look like. They're really cool. They can like over 7 feet long. You can hang these up, and they just look at the theme of these things. You got dollar signs, you got clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts. You got poker chips here. There's like a gold medallion, dice. There's a club, again, diamond, spade. You can see all the different ones, triple sevens. This is a cool one here. And you can hang these really awesome, make a great party favor. If you're doing a casino night, you're doing anything in the fall, a fun draw, doing poker night with the guys, or just decorating the room. I think these are fantastic. There's 6 of them in here. There's a ton of options. You can hang these. You can cut them up. You can hang them with little threads. You can just use them full length, any which way you want to. This is how they come packaged, just like this here, and easy to unfold, easy to use, and nice quality, very high quality as well. So definitely if you're doing a casino night or a fun poker night, or just out with the guys, just having some fun, or a bachelor or bachelorette party, and it's the theme is either poker or gambling, definitely this is the way to go. This is how they come. This is what they look like. And my favorite is, of course, the dollar sign. That rocks. I love it. All right, guys, this is what I have for you today. I absolutely love it. The company did send me these to review, and I wanted to show you what they look like. And they're absolutely amazing. And they're really super fun. So we're definitely going to utilize these. And again, you get 6 of these. So you get a ton of them, ton of options. This is how they look. This is how they come. And this is the string, little string, so you can hang them right to the ceiling. You can you just drape them along, just like this here, across doors. There's a lot of different options with this. So I definitely highly recommend, if you're looking for a fun casino poker night, these are the way to go. This is how they come. Thanks for watching the review.